Nahihirapan ka bang magtiwala sa Diyos? Natutuparin niya ang mga pangako niya para sa iyo. Tinupad ng Diyos ang lahat ng mga ipinangako niya kay David. Now, I want you to remember that David's God is the same as yours. Hindi siya nagbabago. Hindi siya kailanman nagkukulang. 2 Samuel chapter 7 verse 28 reads, Sovereign Lord, you are God. Your covenant is trustworthy, and you have promised these good things to your servant. God is so good. We don't deserve God's goodness, but He remains faithful to His promises. From generation to generation, maaasahan mo ang Diyos natin ay nananatiling tunay at tapat.